Just short video to show the condition of this Dyson V6 car upholstery stairs vacuum cleaner. Comes in full working order and it is in good clean condition. Does have dust in tight places. So it comes with a motorised brush head, a combination tool and crevice tool, a brand new replacement charger, brand new, and then the main unit. Filter's been washed, head's been washed, bin's been washed, and everything's been cleaned. This has a brand new 6000 mAh battery fitted. It has two modes. First mode's economy mode, battery lasts longer. Press the button on the back, goes into max mode. Battery is more powerful but drains quickly because it's more powerful. Show it working quickly. Any questions at all, please ask. I do have another 9 variants of this listed. Please take a look. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please ask.